welcome everybody. My name is Wouter. I'm the person that is trying to keep this group of lovely volunteers together. And I'm going to tell a few things about the upcoming Aruba High Winds. Of course, the anticipation is very high for the 35th edition of the Aruba High Winds, which will take place from the 17th of May till the 22nd at the Fisherman's Huts. For those who don't know, that's next to the Ritz-Carlton, the kitesurf beach. Well, as maybe many of you know, the Aruba High Winds is the longest running event in the Caribbean, and it provides a solid platform for local and international athletes to compete, learn and connect. Throughout the years, the Aruba High Winds has grown from a small windsurfing competition into a full-blown event with a festive Caribbean environment that celebrates sports, music, food and culture. We are very grateful, and of course without the help of our sponsors this is not possible, so we are very grateful for the support of our partners, which is obviously successfully as a main sponsor from last year and again this year, Amstelbreit, the Aruba Tourism Authority, the Vaderpiet Windmolenparken, and of course CXP. They will be our main sponsors this year, and we are very happy to have them. Let me explain you a little bit about the mission of Aruba High Winds. The Aruba High Winds exists to promote Aruba as a world-class water sport destination. The 5-day event serves windsurfers, kite surfers, nowadays wing foilers, sailors and even mountain bikers, and of course sport enthusiasts of all ages, while supporting local foundations that work for the youth of Aruba. As an organization, we strive to adapt and continuously improve the event to meet the evolving needs of our participants and also sponsors, of course. Our energy and attention is focused on making Aruba High Winds a premier global sports event that benefits the community and inspires the world. That's our goal, at least. So that's it for now for my part. I want to give the word to Peter. He will do his part now. Thank you.
Almost ready. Yeah, go.
Hi, my name is Peter Broussard. I'm the treasurer for Aruba High Winds Foundation. So I'd like to talk to you first about registration. Registration is online. You can still register to participate. We highly encourage you to register online, although I will tell you that we have a in-person registration on Wednesday, May 17th as well, and that will take place from 2 to 5 p.m. Also on registration day, we'll have the opening ceremony, which will be followed by a DJ and then live music. We're really excited to have Tsunami and DBA Brass Band. It had a little bit of a Caribbean vibe to Aruba High Winds. So second of all, let's see categories and prizes. So this year, our prize money has increased dramatically. We have $20,000 US total prize money, or 35,000 florins. So we're excited about that. I mean, for each individual, generally, for first place in the category, we'll have 1,000 florins for the adults and 300 florins for the children. Of course, we have windsurfing, kite surfing, wing foiling, and then wing and kite foiling, and big air. Big air was a really big hit last year. We took the feedback from our competitors, and we've added more days of big air because it's pretty exciting. But in addition to those categories, we're adding a new one this year, which is kite cross. And kite cross is a slalom obstacle course. And so we're excited about that. We added it in for free as a bonus, but we're excited, and if there's good participation and athletes like it, we'll continue in the future. And then of course we also have sunfish and mountain biking. So it's really going to be a really nice event. We're excited to put it on. As we did last year, we're going to have live streaming. So our thought is to bring the activity, especially for the water sports, from the shore, the water to the shore. And we're going to have a big screen behind the stage. So if you're there, you can see it on the big screen, and you don't necessarily have to be out on one of the boats, which is always an issue. for this type of sport. But in addition to that, if you're a family member or a friend that's off the island, you can go visit our website at arubahighwinds.com, and you can follow us live there. So it'll be great. It'll be, we'll have the video from the races. We'll have insightful commentary. We'll have interviews with the participants and the sponsors. So I think you'll enjoy it. Let's see. Yeah, so I think that's it, Walter.
Yeah, sure. Then let us continue to our sponsors.
Yeah.
Buon tardi. Buon tardi a tutti também que estão na casa via de social media. Meu nome é Francis Burnett, met Customer Advisor e Business Support Manager para Successfully Caribe. Nós estamos muito contentes a trovar para participar em High Winds Aruba para de 2 anos como main sponsor. Ano passado está ano muito exitoso para Aruba High Winds e nossa contribuição também nós estamos muito contentes de mirar a acolhida da comunidade e por motivo aí também que nós não há dúvida para participar bem mais de evento assim grande. Para nós, Successfully em Caribe, nós está uma companhia de IT que está focusada em cybersecurity, nós está focusada em cloud environments, nós está trabalhando duro na Aruba, Bonaire e Corsol e nós está crescendo muito na Aruba. Então, essa é uma maneira para nós também contribuir na turismo de nosso país, na sportsmanship também de nosso país. Então, precisamos que invitar o povo de Aruba completo para poder participar junto conosco. Enjoy 4 a 5 dias, que vai ter música, bebê, baile, beach, sun, que um ticket solo, toda a parte aí. Nós invitamos a tour para passar conosco, visitar-nos. Nós vai ter completamente como a time de Successfully. Dus você vai ter gigs que normalmente tem oficina para trás, não vai ter um shirt, bonita vestir. Se você tem any questions, você pode perguntar também, você pode acercar-nos também. Bem mais, nós estamos muito contentes de participar do evento aqui e nós queremos estender a invitação à inteira comunidade de Aruba para participar. Me está dando agora a palavra ao seguinte sponsor.
Hi, good afternoon to the members of the press and to the High Winds team. My name is Dianta Ruiz. I am brand manager for Amstelbright, and of course we are proud sponsors once again for the High Winds event. This is 10 plus years of close partnership and cooperation together with the High Winds team. Once again, this year we will be bringing bright vibes and epic fun at the beach, representing what also High Winds represents, the Caribbean lifestyle, beach, fun, good times, and bright vibes. This year, for the first time, we will also be having a bright game area. So not only will we be having the fun activities on water, but also on the sand. We will be having some interactive games where you can win fun, bright prizes, some bright merchandise. Once again, we are very happy and proud to be partaking once again with the High Winds event, and we look forward to seeing everyone there. I think this is one of the biggest events on the island, which we all look forward to. And yes, that's it from our side. We hope to see you all there, and let's get some beach vibes and bright fun this year at High Winds. Thank you.
Sure. Tita? Then Michael?
Good afternoon to all. My name is Michael Suarez. I'm one of the partners in CX Events. Here throughout the Dutch Caribbean, CX Pay has been a trusted partner in the payments industry. We've successfully assisted in e-commerce to many industries, not to name all, but definitely in the tourism industry, hotels, resorts, and also, for example, till the notary industry as well. For this event, we were approached by these wonderful gentlemen. They're trying, and definitely for many years now, they've been successfully trying to withstand or withhold that these water sports can sustain themselves. And talking about sustainability, that's everything we are about. 3 years ago, CXPay started CX Events, which is the reason why we've moved in the event industry, specifically for the payments. Most of you, when you've been to events, usually we use the paper or the plastic tokens, and we believe that it's time to go for the next level and do it digitally. Obviously, digitally will make sure that our oceans and our streets will be free of plastic, and also will offer a significant enhancement on the customer experience itself. So we'll be here definitely for this event, our first year, hopefully not the last. I will definitely welcome all of you to this event. I'll see you there.
Thank you very much.
Buen día, tu persona presente, especialmente miembros de prensa, está un placer para un día más junto como Aruba Tourism Authority para nos anunciar el evento de High Winds, que está un evento que está así representativo para Isla de Aruba, localmente e internacionalmente. Por el año 1986, el evento aquí Startup y él será conocido no solamente localmente, pero internacionalmente por así atleta internacional que habían participado. En año que nanan lo nota diferente. Ata ta con placer ata ta support evento que nana nos apoyen no solamente financieramente, pero también con influencia internacional de medio de personas que tienen followers en social media, cualta influencers, nos lo baiten influencers de Brasil y de Holanda, de Europa, que tienen un reach grande y eso significa que crea una plataforma que reach out internacionalmente y posiciona Aruba de manera que desea en su plan de mercadeo, cual posiciona Aruba como una isla de bienestar, la más y el viento seguro parte de bienestar, de well-being de una persona y seguro turista nanta look forward para eso aquí también, que me panosa en realidad un placer de portar presente en el evento aquí, de por apoyar en gerencia aquí, que está de 2 años de existencia con